Hello, this is Arambol Beach or Russian Beach in North Goa. So welcome to my channel and please subscribe for more videos.
Last way. It's not that we've been hiding all this time before.
So you guys are from? Ah, nice. Hyderabad is a nice
So this village is very famous with fishermen and Jesus was also a fisherman.
Is it danger on the ocean? It is a very big Indian Ocean. So is it dangerous for you to walk in the ocean?
No, we don't go far. We go near. No danger. We can take you even if you want to come with us.
Okay. And are there sharks also?
Yes, small shark. Not big, but small.
Okay, baby sharks.
Baby.
You sell the shark also?
Yes.
Okay. Shark is very tasty.
Yes, very tasty.
Which fish is very tasty?
Kingfish and prawns.
Okay.
Complete very tasty.
How many are you in fishing?
Now we are 6 people.
6 people. And you go every day at 5 a.m.?
Yeah.
5 a.m.
Let's head to the sweet lake. So it's twice in nature. There's lot of entertainment.
Dennis and Igor.
always try to be light and fire in someone's life instead of being darkness and taking someone to darkness. Try to be the force of light.
All I want, all I need, all I want, all I need, all I want, all I need is peace.
Some morning might look dark in rain, but sun shines every day with a warm breeze.
Bye bye. Keep watching for more videos. All I want, all I need.